Three Bollywood actors are facing regulatory action in Maharashtra over their endorsement of Vimal Ilaichi. The Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration has issued show cause notices to Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgan, and Tiger Shroff, alleging that the advertisement amounts to indirect or surrogate promotion of prohibited pan masala and tobacco products. The notices were issued on August 11th. The actors have been given 15 days to respond. According to the FDA, the use of the Vimal Ilaichi branding could create an association with Vimal Pan Masala and indirectly promote prohibited products. The department has termed the advertisement potentially misleading and said it may violate the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. The FDA has called the notices a final warning. It has also directed the actors to stop endorsing the product and remove the promotional material from digital platforms. The action now puts the spotlight on celebrity endorsements and the use of brand extension to advertise products that cannot be directly promoted.